Hello everyone. First of all, this is the year end, so happy new year in advance to you people. I hope this year brings you happiness and joy, and I hope this year also gets us our vaccine. Fingers crossed. So, in this video, I'll be talking about how to decorate your house by making some amazing plant pot holders, and it will really look good in your drawing room, in your bedrooms, and you can really decorate your house with that. I took help of my entire family to do this, and I really enjoyed spending time with them. So I thought of sharing the same thing in this weekend so that you can also do the same thing with your family and enjoy as well. So for that we'll get started, but before that consider subscribing my channel and liking my Facebook page and following me over Instagram, and let's get started. So for the first idea, I am taking a cardboard box, few white papers, and I am just wrapping them around the box. That is it. Now taking a marker pen, I am marking some random shapes, and then I'll be filling it with the color. Now I have only 6 poster colors, so I just mixed and matched with different combinations to get different colors, and then I just made it like that. And then I filled it with black color. I filled up the borders with black color. You can also keep it just white the way it is looking, and simply paint it white and make it look better. But I thought once I will make one side black and other side white, so you can decide and make. For the second idea, I am cutting the newspapers into half, each side into 2 halves, and then just fold the newspaper using the thinnest stick you can get, and then make tight pipes out of it, and then stick the end with the help of glue. Once it's done, make more of it, and once you are done with more than 24 or 25, start sticking it over the box. Don't press too hard to the pipes, then it will simply get into some different shape and it won't look good. So just press it lightly and apply generous amount of glue so that it will look good. The way my father is helping me to get the pipes in a shape, do consider that and make sure you keep the pipes together so that it will look good. So once the sides of the pipes are totally stuck on the box and the glue is dried up, cut the edges according to your box size so that it will look good. For the third idea, I use the same pipe designing but in a diagonal way instead of vertical way. Now after that, on 3 sides I used the pipe designing, and on one side I used a tree shaped drawing, and then I pasted some tissue papers on that to give a 3D look texture on it, and then I attached some of the pistachio shells on it to give the bird look. Now start coloring this one, the tree, into brown one. Instead also you can use a bark directly and color it and paste it. I'll be showing that as well. So once you are done drawing and painting your barks and your stems, start designing your leaves. I am using the back of my paint brush to make the leaves. You can see I am not using any water. I am just taking the paint and I am just drawing circles so that it will give a different kind of texture and design. You can see that it looks really good. So continue drawing and complete all the leaves that you are planning to draw. Now for the birds, I am using sketch pen to color the shells of the pistachio. If you have already stuck that one and like me on the drawing, then it's well and good, but if it is coming out, I would recommend take it out, hold it in your hand and color it and then paste it on the drawing. It would be better. As I was drawing and it was coming out, so I thought of taking it out and then color it and then paste it, as you can see. Now once you are done coloring one of the birds, apply generous amount of glue on it. Let me tell you, generous amount. If you use little amount of glue, it will simply come off within 2 to 3 days. So apply generous amount on the edges, especially on the base, so because base is little bit wider, and then paste it. Let it dry. And if it's not dry, at least consider drying it once, then only make the eyes and the beak on it. So as I said, if you don't let it dry and then stick, the color will start coming, because the shell is like, if you apply the sketch pen, it is coming out. So I had to recolor the places where I was holding it up. So once it's done, take a black sketch pen and start drawing a small eye on the pistachio shell, and the beak out of the shell near to the exact edge of the shell, so that it will look like a real beak. And if you wish to draw the legs, you can draw small legs as well. I am drawing small legs. And once you are complete with that, color the rest of the birdies according to your wish. So I have completed the coloring and I have attached the stem from a real one also. Now you can see the entire look of this plant holder and the rest of the plant holders as well. So I'll be coloring the rest of the boxes that on which I am keeping the other boxes, and this is the bigger one which we made with the help of only the pipes.
Alright guys, I hope you found this video useful. If you found this video useful, like this video and subscribe to my channel and share this with your friends. And if you have any ideas, do share it and comment down below in the comment box so that I can also learn it from you people. And if you have started doing any of these decorations from my recommendation, do tag me over any social media platform so that I can see and really feel good that I could help you people from this. That's it. And do consider subscribing to my channel and following me over Instagram. Thank you and bye bye. I'll bring the next video very soon, and Happy New Year to you all.